Hello everyone, our team would like to present you about the social business. First of all, I will tell you about the definition. What is the social business? It is the use of social networking platform, which include Facebook, Twitter, and other internal corporate social tools. The purpose of it is to engage their employees, customers, and the suppliers. The keyword is the conversations. I will bring up an issue that social business is full speed ahead or proceed with caution. According to Larry Ellison, social networking should be the backbone of business applications. But in addition, following Gartner, there were 15% of large organizations will soon have internal Facebook, like a social network, and 30% of them are considered as essential as email and telephone are today. There are about 80% of social business effort will not achieve the intended benefit through the 2015.
Hi everyone, my name is Zong, and in my part I would like to present you more about this issue. And in my part, I also would like to answer two main questions. What do we get from social networking, and what do we need to do in order to attain these benefits? And about the benefits, social media key capabilities for managing social network and sharing digital content can have an organization by providing rich and diverse source of information, support pre-existing groups like my people, or it helps in designing and building the right workplace environment. So what do we do to get this benefit? The first thing is the pool approach. This approach engages workers and offers them a significant better way to work. It also requires training thinking, includes the ability to view the organization in a faster and more horizontal way. And it depends on specific business purpose. The organizations need to identify how social initiatives will actually improve work practice for employees and management. Organizations also need a detailed understanding, and also successful social business strategy require leadership and behavioral change in order to adopt new technology.
So before I head to the question, I will tell you about the case study. First is the Bayer case study. Bayer choose the IBM Connections for its social business toolset. They using the tools to train the employees, control employees' profile, and communication within the company. 1 year later, they established a set of goals for growing social business to measure the success. As a result, there are 15% of employees routinely active in the company's social network. We will having benefit from faster knowledge flow and increase of efficiencies and lower operation cost. The next case is about Carlo Beck. The Carlo Beck shop is an old family which is the star of Cake Boss, reality television series, and they had problem of being heavily paper-based. This will lead to a waste of employees' time and having a lot of errors. In 2012, Carlo implemented Salesforce CRM tools, Toolchaster, and as solutions to solve the problem. The employee registered to the new system, but the company has changed the way they work. As a result, the employee now work more socially, and the error are down 30%.
About the first question is identify the management, organization, and technology factors responsible for impeding adoption of internal corporate social networks. About the management factors, social initiatives in business are different from other technology deployment. For example, in integration of enterprise resource planning or customer relationships management system are top-down. Workers are trained in application and expected to use. In most cases, they can be forced to use social apps. About the employee, productivity and morale will be poor if employees use external social networks to criticize others or pursue personal agendas. A successful social business strategy requires leadership and behavioral change. Just sponsoring social projects is not enough. Managers need to demonstrate their commitment to more open, transparent work style. And then the first part is management needs to ensure that internal and external social networking efforts from company are providing generous value to the business. About the organizational factors, social business application models on consumer-facing platforms such as Facebook and Twitter will not necessarily work well in an organization that have different objectives. And the question here is, will the firm use social business for operations, human resource, or innovation? The social media platform that will work best depends on its specific business purpose. Social business requires a trend thinking. This means that instead of focusing on technology, business should first identify how social initiative will actually improve work practice for employees and managers. And changing in organization to work in a different way require instilling those most engaged and interested in helping and designing and building the right workplace environment for using social technologies. And about the last factor, we can talk about the technology. When firms introduce new social media technology as well as other technologies, employees often resist the new tools, blind to old ways of working, such as email, because they are more familiar and comfortable.
First, we'll talk about the experience with the social network. Bayer Material Science use IBM connections for social business to set. They control the data in the firm with one system at home. They connect the employees, coach and train them, and they also communicate with customers with this technology. About Keller Bake Shop, they implement Salesforce CRM with their special social network to chatters as a solution. It is an internal communication tool amongst the employees as well as to keep the contact with customers. Now we move to the reason of success. Bayer Science succeeds because they chose the right tool to develop employee skills in IT and change the whole organization from within. They also set up goals involving technology system. Keller Bake Shop, in other hands, they stopped using paper but social network instead to save time and resource. They also persuade all employees to use social network and to control the data system of the company. And lastly is the role of management. Bayer Science, they work with the company's technology and business leader to set up the goals for going social business and to measure the success. Keller Bake Shop have used analytics dashboard to instantly view the store and performance and the products. They see sales and transaction patterns in the depth.
My name is Dick, and I will move to the next part of our presentation. And should all the company implement the internal enterprise social network. Why and why not? Following our case study analysis, we come to the conclusion that the company and the organization should implement the social network in the business. To make it more clearly, I will show you a comparison between not using internal social network, business network, and using internal social business network in business. First of all, when you are not using business network in the organization, the cost of controlling will be higher, and the connection between the worker and manager is ineffective. Last but not least, the external network is unable to control. When the organization and company using the internal social network, they will reduce the cost of management, and social network can provide rich and diverse information to enhance the organization. Finally, make the communication through the organization become effectively and efficiently. Now, I will tell you about the some example of successful on using business social network. In later half of 2012, Carlos implemented the Salesforce CMR with the Salesforce social network to Chatter as the solution. Carlos produced a very large volume of custom cake from 7,000 square foot commissary in Jersey City, all operating around the clock. Chatter is now the de facto standard for the internal communication. The second case is the case of the Bayer Material Science. A year after the new collaboration tool was introduced, adoption had plotted. 50% of employees are now relatively active in the company's enterprise social network. Bayer Material Science has the benefit from the faster knowledge flow, increase the efficiency, and lower the operating cost.
So it is the end of our presentations. Thank you for listening.